Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. Many of you guys search in internet that how to make your reading list private in Wattpad. So if you go to Wattpad, actually there's no such settings or no such options. If you search in whole Wattpad, there's no such options to make your reading list private in Wattpad. Okay guys, so it's already private. So please don't waste your time to making it private. There's such no options. You cannot get any help on it. Okay guys, so it will be remain public. Maybe future Wattpad can add some features like this. If that, I will let you know in the video, so keep tuned it. Okay guys, so if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay with Tech Team. Thank you.